Hello, my beautiful friends. Today we'll prepare powerful anti-aging face masks using one simple ingredient, milk. Milk is full of vitamins, proteins, and natural acids. It hydrates, smooths fine lines, and restores a youthful glow. First recipe, smoothing and nourishing. Ingredients, 2 teaspoons of milk, 1 small piece of banana. Mash well until creamy. Benefits: smooths fine lines, nourishes the skin, and improves elasticity. How to use: apply to clean face, neck, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss natural beauty secrets that really work. Second recipe, hydrating and rejuvenating. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of milk, half a teaspoon of honey, mix well. Benefits: deeply hydrates the skin, brightens and softens rough texture. How to use: apply evenly to face, neck, and chest. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, comment below and tell us where you're watching from. Third recipe, pore tightening and firming. Ingredients: 1 egg white, one teaspoon of milk, whisk together. Benefits: tightens skin, reduces pore size, and refreshes complexion. How to use: apply a thin layer to clean skin. Leave on until fully dry, around 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and moisturize. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Like, comment, and share this recipe if you found it helpful. Fourth recipe, exfoliating and brightening. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of oat flour, 2 teaspoons of milk, mix well. Benefits: gently exfoliates, evens out tone, and brightens dull skin. How to use: apply to face, neck, and hands. Massage in gentle circles for 1 minute. Leave on for 10 more minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Apply moisturizer. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly glow-boosting recipes. Fifth recipe for dry and mature skin. Ingredients: 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of milk. Mix until smooth. Benefits: nourishes dry skin, improves texture and restores softness. How to use: apply to clean skin. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Apply your favorite cream. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Sixth recipe: lifting and smoothing. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of potato starch, 2 teaspoons of milk, mix until smooth. Benefits: firms the skin, lifts sagging areas, and enhances smoothness. How to use: apply evenly to clean face, neck and chest. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water, then cool. Apply a hydrating moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Seventh recipe: calming and moisturizing ingredients. 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of milk, mix until fully blended. Benefits: soothes redness, hydrates deeply, and helps heal the skin barrier. How to use: apply a light layer to clean face, neck and hands. Leave on for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Apply your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.